They come home for Christmas, and this is what I get.
Canceled. You're canceled. Give her her microphone back. She needs this. She's the real singer. You smell. It smells like farts.
Bro, stop. Guys, good morning. Going great. We had some issues earlier. Also, she's the best. We all freaking love you. Hey man, he didn't burp. Hey, video about it. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow because it's every day. Like a couple would in a movie. And before I react, that's some good old-fashioned revenge right there. Woo! Anyways, to focus, they officially go on sale Friday. Hold on. Yeah. Out of pepper spray. Somebody, and that somebody is me and who.
These is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes.
The thing is, I don't mean anything that comes from animals, right? No animal byproducts is what I meant to say. Like no.
Oh my god. Jay, that's Sunny's microphone. Ew. Jay!
Oh!
Jay!
What?
You're so disgusting!
It's fine.
Hold on, wait, I have to fart. He's not doing that. Oh, come on, bro. That was wet and juicy. It's Christmas Eve, dude. What's wrong with you?
That was really wet. Did you have too much eggnog?
At least it was original.
Can I tell the people something?
What?
My mic smells, bro.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Wait, this just happened. It's not Christmas.